There's a question that comes up a lot for people that are just starting out with Infusionsoft, and when they get their first order or second order, they notice that people are getting an automatic double opt-in email that they didn't set up and didn't necessarily want, especially considering if you're using the automations that we've sent you. We already have a double opt-in in place, so you might want to be turning that off, and it's not exactly easy to find unless you know where to look for it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find it. We're going to open the menu and then go to e-commerce setup under the e-commerce part of the menu. From here, we're going to go to the checkout section, which is on the far right, and click on that first option, shopping cart settings. So you'll see your normal stuff here about, multi-cart, single cart, default country, and all that good stuff. But if you keep going all the way to the bottom, there's this email confirmation request, and it has templates here. So you probably see show templates, and then you probably see default double opt-in email there. That means that every time somebody buys something, this is going to go to them if they haven't already confirmed. So think about that in terms of maybe somebody who's, buying something from you every month and they haven't confirmed. They're going to keep getting this. Plus, you've already got it set up likely in your double opt-in campaign to send people there who are opting in or buying. So we want to make sure we're not over replicating efforts, right? Let's go ahead and actually choose the double opt-in email, but then change it to select an option. By just putting it select an option, you're turning that off. And then make sure you click save, and you're all set.